Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to bring you a collaboration with one of my sweetest friends here on YouTube and on Instagram. Her name is Miss Tara Michelle. She and I have become friends, I want to say about a year ago, over on Instagram, and then we started following each other on YouTube. And she's just been one of the sweetest women that I've known and come to know. She's helped me in my keto journey, which I'm still struggling on, but she's helped me there. But we thought, why not collaborate today and give you guys some double motivation? So if you are in need of some cleaning inspiration to get into that kitchen and clean out the fridge or declutter the pantries or anything, we hope that today's video brings that to you. So if you are new from her channel, welcome. My name is Rosa, and I would love to get to know you down in the comments below. I also have an Instagram page, so if you want to follow me there at Rosa_Graham_. Let's chat over there. Let's get to know each other. And if you do not know Tara Michelle, I highly suggest you guys go follow her. She's got some great content. She's very inspirational. She lives in Utah, and her sunrises and sunset photos, if you guys saw earlier, are just breathtaking. So go visit her, give her a thumbs up, let her know that I sent you, and let's get into some cleaning. I have to admit that this is a chore that I do not do all the time. I'll do a wipe down, but I can't tell you when the last time I really went into this fridge and cleaned it out. There's times where I'll go through and dump old food out, but like taking everything out, cleaning it all down, wiping it all down, I want to say maybe a month ago, if not 2 months ago. And that's sad, but it's behind a door. So I'm like, no one really comes to my house and goes to my fridge unless you're family members, and even at that, I give them a heads up, there's no food, or it's a mess, or whatever, because this is something that isn't on my mind, isn't a priority. But when I do add food to it by going grocery shopping, that's when I'll go and get rid of the old food, but I won't, again, do a wipe down like this.
She wanna try something else in life. She wants a different view. She wanna move to a place downtown, be a part of the crew. And I'm standing up first in line, right, all in her aim. She don't wanna waste my time, no, never again. Touching up on my body, she's moving at me so fast. Until the morning coffee, I just wanna make it last. Up on my body.
Now that the fridge and the freezer is all nice and cleaned and organized, I was able to see what all that was needed. So when I make my grocery list, and I was able to put things in there nicely and in its place. And so, you know, it's a struggle when you have multiple people in a home, and even with yourself, like, you know, you're on the go and you just put it on the shelf, and instead of putting it back where you got it from, like the door or something like that. And so it just, you know, makes it look like a mess and disorganized. And so now I am, you know, tidying up the kitchen, cleaning the dishes, and putting the clean dishes away. So now it's to tidy everything up.
Be replaced. I don't know what I'm on, but I'm loving it. Touching up on my body, she's moving at me so fast. Until the morning coffee, I just wanna make it last. Up on my body, liking it like that. So just stay for me, I just wanna make it last. Yeah, I just can't get enough. I'm so hooked on your touch. Yeah, we should slow down, it's getting too much. If we wanna make it last, we just wanna make it last. She's the make it last. Yeah.
So I wanted to pop on really quickly and thank you guys for watching. And if you are new and coming from Tara's channel, welcome. I am happy to have you. I hope you consider subscribing and joining our YouTube family. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you have yet to go check out Tara's video today, I can't recommend her enough. So please make sure you go visit her. I will leave her link at the end and down in the description box. And again, thank you guys so much. Your support means the world to me. Let's communicate down below. Let's meet over on Instagram. Let's get to know each other, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love and God bless.
Yeah.